Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to turn the traditional high plank exercise into an exercise for shoulder health. So one of the primary causes of shoulder pain are muscle imbalances in the upper body that cause your shoulders to roll inward like this, which compresses and pinches things in the front, stretches and strains things in the back, which over time is going to lead to shoulder pain. So what we need to do are find exercises that center that shoulder joint over the joint itself. They're called shoulder centration exercises, and you can do this with a simple tweak to the high plank exercise. So before we get into the position to show you, I'll kind of demonstrate with my hands. So when your hands are on the ground in the high plank position, what you're going to do is think of turning your hands out. So they're not going to be able to turn out because they're planted on the ground, but you're going to just think of turning them out. And that's going to create tension and torque up the arm, and it's that tension that's going to get all the muscles of the shoulder joint fired up to center that shoulder joint where we want it to be to take pressure off of the structures of the shoulder. So to perform, you're just going to get into your traditional high plank exercise with your hands right under the shoulders, and again, you want your body kind of centered over those shoulder joints. You don't want to be hanging here or pressed too far up that way. And then from there, like I said, you're going to turn your hands outward. And they're not actively going to be able to move because they're on the ground, but you should feel that tension and torque in the arm, but especially in your shoulder joint right there. And so what we're going to do, we're just going to hold that tension for 10 seconds. Once you've reached 10 seconds, you can kind of release, stop kind of turning your hands out to release some of that tension, give yourself a little bit of break. You can stay in the high plank position or you can drop down if you need a break for your core, but then you're just going to go ahead and do it again. So that is the high plank exercise with a shoulder focus to improve shoulder health and help fight shoulder pain. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to read them, happy to answer them. My name is Dr. Carl Baird. This is Solving Pain with Strength. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, it's Dr. Baird here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page to catch all our videos designed to help you build the strength and confidence to live active, healthy, and happy lives. You won't find it anywhere else.